What's up, guys? Back with another video. I put out my wheels to polish them, the front and the back. I already did two. I just finished the second one, and I'm gonna compare what they look like. So here y'all go. This is the before, and that's the after. I mean, it's not all that. Still has some glue from the other fucking weights, but they look better than this. And the front too, just a quick little polish también. Not with that. I'm only doing the back with that. The front I'm doing with the hand. By hand, I should say. That's the front. I mean, the front ain't bad, but still, the back is fucking horrible compared to that. What's up, guys? It's your boy Angel, and we're back with another video. And going to my painter's house. I'm gonna be taking apart my front end, so that'll make it a little bit easier for him to get to start on the parts. I don't know when it'll be out, but we're gonna get this color matching in progress, so stay tuned. When I get over there, I'll see if he's there, and we'll start discussing what we're gonna do to it. But pretty much, we're gonna color match the whole front end like it used to be. So yeah. Damn, bro, y'all check this out. Jeez. They just finished it, right? Just
yeah. Body work was done all right here.
Sheesh. Y'all see that mirror? Todavía le falta el wet sand and buff, right?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's a little dusty right now, so I mean, that's just after. Bro, his leg is messed up for sure. Look at it. Wow.
Damn, y'all check this out. After he sands and he buffs it, shit finna be glass. Damn. Look at that.
Bro, god dang.
Oh, you can't see shit. This was the bed to that black truck. Damn. Oh, hell yeah, it's big as light. Damn. And they got the bed over here now. The new one. Yes, check out this side. Telling y'all he's smooth with it. Sheesh. Check these lightning wheels out. Just primer right now. Damn, bro. This man gets down, I'm telling y'all. Damn. God damn, bro. I bet if we can do this one. Check out the bottom one de una vez. Algo así. Oh, ese no lo
Go get George's.
Do you
with
have
the little thingy.
Oh, ¿tú también tienes el otro? Oh, the ratchet one.
Yeah.
Alright. Taking off the hood real quick. And then we're gonna take out the grill, the bumper, and the fenders.
Jay, you tighten him, bro.
No, es que se necesita aflojar primero,
Yeah.
güey. Pero como no tiene mucha battery.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get her.
Ya no voy a agarrar. ¡Ah! ¿Qué te racho? Se cayó.
You gotta press the button.
I know that. You thought I was gonna do it, huh?
No, dang.
Oh, shit. Bam! You can still see the table next. Where are you gonna put it? I don't know. Avienta la pura. ¿Allá no les estorba?
No.
¿Estás grabando?
¿Ya estás grabando?
Yep.
You know what you're doing, Angel?
Not really. I gotta watch a YouTube tutorial to do this, man.
It's the same thing.
Is the what?
Not really. That does help out a little bit.
Nada más poquito.
No, that's not helping you.
He puts it right in the lens.
And what are you pointing his ass for, dog?
Chill. Va a estar como el different in video.
That's
Motherfucker was looking at my
Here's the person that recorded that one right there.
I got the most views on that one.
Hey, chill, I do, huh? Like 1,700, bro. Shout out to everybody who watched that video. Light boy, where you at, cuz?
You gotta get the main
You record.
Chill, bro. You keep saying the N word, bro. That hater's gonna come back again. You seen that shit, huh?
No.
That didn't see it?
I heard I seen the comment.
That's why.
You got your first hater.
Hell yeah. Pero con respeto, lo mandé a la chingada. With respect. I wasn't being a total dick.
Spartan dick.
Con respeto. There we go.
Junior, what the fuck are you recording? I mean, sorry for cousin. What the fudge are you recording? You know.
I don't blur
It's
it
your
out.
light
so
boy.
you Oh, and I gotta get the bow tie, huh?
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
No need la copas. We can paint over that.
Nah, I think I'm gonna leave it that gold color. Or should I paint it? What do you think?
I don't know. The comments have
Yeah, comment down below. You actually think I should paint the bow tie, the Chevy emblem right here? Nah, but it's gonna look too like.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm telling y'all, bro, the haters gonna come back, bro.
Damn, he done got something.
What did I do? Oh, is that? The bit. Oh, but I can't keep putting the shit there, huh? Because we're gonna take out the fender here. Put it inside. Oh, faltan los abajo. Lightweight actually needs there. Do you think he's any good, Junior? Si no, para correrlo.
How much money are you giving us ever credit?
About free, not now.
How much are you paying Angel?
$50.
Oh, shit.
Says he's making the YouTube money already.
Shit. YouTube no me paga, chaval.
Only 500 a day so far.
If I did, I'd be doing a giveaway. Ah, chill. That bitch does not want to get out.
You want to did I bring the ratchet?
Yeah, get the ratchet. Oh, it's right here now?
Ooh, ooh. Jeez.
The bottle cap is still on there. Look at this, mira.
Oh,
There's none here, and then the bolts on here.
bring a little sledgehammers.
Traje las llaves. Oh, get that. Fool, this is the half. That's why you had that one on there, huh?
That's an adapter, guys.
¿Le agarras aquí, Junior? ¿De frente o detrás? ¿Sí me entiendes? ¿O you want to do it al revés? Como quieras.
I think it's better if y'all switch positions.
No, this is fine, this is fine. Ahora sí tengo. Oh, I'm fucking tiny, fool.
Remember, kids,
Pictures getting hard.
righty tighty, lefty loosey, guys.
Why is it getting harder? Ya ves, qué facilidad, señor. Oh, I'm fucking tightening that bitch. Pone Mike. Oh, a ver. Oh, sí, con la mano. ¿Cómo la haces?
Damn.
¿Cómo la haces?
Con la mano.
My mechanic here is gonna start taking shit apart. Right, mechanic?
I don't know, maybe. See what we can do. Dealing with. That's what we do. Take the fender off. We take
We gotta take the air filter out. Nah, it's those, this one, them two. There's one inside, yeah, right there.
I think that's one under here.
And then in the inside, right? Tienes some también. Let's see those ones first. See, no? Yeah, they're right there. It looks like two. Yeah, it looks like two. Mecánico. A ver, ponte listo. ¿Estás viendo? Oh shit, the light. Man, doing this. Hey, bro, don't scratch the paint now.
I can't reach that one. What's so funny? Trying to look at this not magnetic, bro.
Yo.
I think that's it.
Wait, put them bitches in there. On this side, so I won't forget. Cause then I'll be forgetting. Ah, pues calma, la va a armar Junior. No importa. It's cool.
I know she had to take it out.
What the fuck's that? Come on, so take those out.
Alright.
You want me to grab them? Oh, you got them? Hold them for right now. This man like, what the fuck you giving me?
She gonna get lost.
That shit got lost, alright. And those? Yeah, those.
Doesn't work.
Mm-hmm. That man won't even get in it, bro. ¿Qué escuchó? Una rana o frog, bro.
Oh.
Bro, hell no. Take number 2, peep.
You're a fucking idiot.
Tighten it.
I can get that shit.
Damn, goofy ass nigga, bro.
gotta
That's a whole
repaint that.
paint job, bro.
That shit don't want to come on, though.
Wait, hold this real quick. Let me see. A ver. Oh! You done fucked it up. Yeah, you done fucked up, but that's a whole new hood strut right there. Oh, you see that? Oh, no.
Yeah,
That's a free paint job.
to come out your pocket.
Yeah, come out your pocket.
Damn.
That's not even a joke, bro. I don't know why you laughing. See, look, this light boy better, bro. This ain't a light boy. This a light man. All right, that's good. Okay, get your oh, falta este. There's one right here. Yeah, there's one in there. You have to use that one. Más larga. Damn, bro, this man don't know what he's doing.
It's my first one. Got an extension.
Yeah, get an extension, bro.
No, but that one's still long.
No importa, no importa.
I'll make it work. God damn.
That is all 2 foot long, bro. He's over here. This one. This one.
No fuck I need. God,
Bro, you need an extension, bro.
not this goddamn long.
Take it out. There it goes. Now you gotta paint that one too, cause you fucked it up.
I think so.
Huele medio feo también cuando se escucha. Oh yeah, that's getting lost. Put it right there. Right now.
As long as we don't lose over 5 weeks straight.
Oh shit, no, don't even tell me that shit.
I swear there's one under here.
There's one under the fucking Alusale, you see that shit? There's one under the fucking
Air filter.
damn, bro, stupid motherfucker. Look, that bitch popped off on his own. Well, that's fireman. Man, don't tight it all. I gotta get a new one done.
God damn.
Yeah, you can get it from right there.
What size is it?
Probably a 10. Use the extension. Goofy ass motherfucker. For real, bro. Look, he don't even know what he's doing, bro. Dumb. Hold that now, bro. Where that? No, ahora sí se perdió. Yeah, I don't know where it fucking went. Oh, it's right there. Ugh. Alright, you got those screws right? Let me get them. Yeah, I don't know where half of these go no more.
I just don't know. Just looking at him do something.
No se van a salir solos. We need a new mechanic. Hey, bro, take over, bro.
Nigga, why you taking those on? Oh, yeah.
Why you taking those off? You need to take those off.
No,
Nuh-uh. We ain't painting the damn firewall. Put it back.
nigga, it's just connected to it.
Nah, but we can take it out without taking that off.
That's what I was telling y'all. Y'all kept telling me.
Nah, fool, we talking about these right here, fool. The actual fender. Look, you see him right there?
God damn, goofy ass nigga.
Dumbass fool, bro. Look.
Put the extension back on.
Give me that shit, bro.
Hey, you got it.
Si no te doy una nomás porque.
Pero tú tienes la culpa y no te doy otra nomás porque...
Goofy ass nigga, boy.
Put the extension back on.
Nigga, that extension still goddamn long.
Dámela. You tighten and loosen it, bro.
That's the loser, guy.
No mames. ¿Le vas a pegar tú o le pego yo?
Los dos.
¡Bam! He finna lose that shit.
Oh.
You got it, you lost it.
A little bit of both. Damn, goofy ass.
But it's like 5 in there, but you haven't took out yet. A ver, ¿qué te? ¿Cuándo falta? ¿Falta una? No, estamos. Eres tú.
Yeah, but I gotta get better lane.
Oh, my fault. Look at that. You getting paid $1 more. That's two. I'm fucking.
200, god.
Oh, shit. Look at that.
I don't know if I can take this one.
That shit still is hard, tight as hell.
See, look, it won't matter if we lose a boat. So just tie this in.
Hold up now.
Jenny, I'm gonna need extension. Not that
Where?
goddamn long.
Which one? Let me see this shit. Put it back on there. Put it back on there, bro.
What is this? This way you get this one? Let me see.
I'm gonna have fun watching this all the time, trying to edit.
Oh, what the fuck am I doing? I put that shit to here.
And we done scratched like 30 parts. We not gonna paint, bro.
One more.
Let me see that. Where?
No.
Oh, it's being TV serious. Let me see that jump.
You got it.
Is that one?
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Right, man.
See, because then they gonna think I ain't gonna do nothing. Oh, shit.
Alright, let's see.
Oh, wow!
It's not going nowhere.
was on there good.
Damn. Good thing you gon' that jump coming out your picture, bro.
You had to reprint the end
It ain't
and
no
new 3M.
That ain't
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know where the fuck else to take shit off. I know you gotta take this off.
Where?
Clips. Cause I know there's one under here, but I can't take that off.
Where?
Under this.
Ya se lo
shit.
quitamos o?
No, like there's one under.
Look. Where? Oh, it's right here. Look, see?
No, that's why on the other one there was one right down there.
Son puros clips now. No, you know what? You might have to take that shit off. I forgot how me and Carson did it, bro.
Dedicated.
It's over here. Oh, let me put these. Shit, bitch came in the shop, bro. Nomás falta un fender. That's about it, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Got the 4.8 in there, right? The 4.8.
That's 6.2.
Oh shit, no. What's up, guys? It's your boy Angel. Right now, vamos a ver la troca. We're gonna go check it out. Check out the truck, see the progress on it. I got a couple pictures and videos, but I'm gonna go record a piece. A ver cómo se mira. Oh, tomorrow? Damn, bro. This is crazy. Se mira más mejor con wrapping paper, huh? Damn, bro. The Master Sander Jr. Sheesh. The flare was cracked right here. He fixed it. Por abajo too, huh? Damn. Damn, bro. Like we had a chop shop, bro.
Might be a thing or two missing. It's alright.
Damn, bro. I knew that shit was gonna be annoying on this side, right?
I don't know.
Oh, that shit was. The shit had. Oh, that shit attached to it right there. Damn, bro.